Welcome back to Mrs Encyclopedia, your go-to channel for smart, simple and science-backed home hacks. Today, we are tackling a hidden problem in your bedroom: dust mites living in your pillow. These microscopic bugs feed on dead skin cells and thrive in warm, humid environments, making your pillow a perfect home for them. If you suffer from allergies or asthma, dust mites can make your symptoms much worse. But what if your pillow can't be washed? Many pillows like memory foam or latex one are not machine washable. Don't worry, there's an easy and effective way to eliminate dust mites without water or harsh chemicals. Step 1. Use the power of the sun. Now, place your pillow inside a large black plastic bag. The black color absorbs heat from the sun, creating a sauna-like environment inside the bag. Seal the bag. And then we hang it outside in direct sunlight for 4 to 5 hours. Why does this work? Dust mite cannot survive high heat, and sunlight also helps kill bacteria and mold. The heat builds up inside the bag, helping destroy the mites naturally. Step 2. Vacuum the pillow thoroughly. Once it's done sunbathing, remove the pillow from the bag. And then we use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery or brush attachment to vacuum all sides of the pillow, especially along seams. This removes dead mites, fecal particles, dust, and skin flakes. Vacuuming ensures the remains are fully removed from the surface. This natural two-step method combines heat disinfection with physical removal, giving you an effective way to reduce dust mites by up to 99%, all without washing your pillow. It's safe, gentle, and perfect for delicate or non-washable pillows. For the best results, repeat this every 2 to 3 months, especially if you have allergies. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mrs Encyclopedia for more easy and science-backed home hacks. Your pillow and your nose will thank you.